Welcome back to the homestead, everyone. Hey, today I want to show you a really cool new method for drying your onions and your garlic. So stick with us and see what we did. Okay, in front of us here we've got this drying rack that we made here, and it's on our back covered porch. I get a lot of breeze through here and almost zero sun. And we've got chicken wire attached to just a 4x4, 2x4 frame here. 4 feet on each side. I've just got a little bit of scrap wood here on the corners to stabilize it, and I'll bring you in here in a second to show you just how we constructed this thing. But what we're going to do here is just thread our onions, thread the onion leaves down through the chicken wire here and just let the bulb sit on the chicken wire. Now you're going to have to adjust the angle for it to see, you know, what the easiest way is for these to sit on here, but it's really simple. And as you can see so far, and I'll show you all of this garlic and onions I've had sitting on here for only a few days. We'll show you how these things are drying. It's super fast, so check it out. Okay, we've had these guys on here for just about a week, and as you can see, they're almost totally dried out. The garlic is a little thicker. This is a hardneck garlic, so it's going to take longer. But we've got our garlic bulbs all in here, and we've got our onions. This is our what we're going to put in here next. These were sitting out in the garden curing a little bit in the sun first, and now we're going to transfer them on here. But they dry out super fast, and as you can see, we've just basically did a pocket screw on this 2x4 frame, and then also did some triangle pieces in the corner here for stabilization, and just a little piece of scrap here on the bottom, and just stapled this chicken wire to it. We found that chicken wire works the best for the size of onions that we were, you know, growing, all the way down from these little, like, tiny things here about an inch and a half across to our nice big onions that we've got here. So as you can see, this is a really compact way of getting a lot of airflow around these onions and underneath the onions. Now, yeah, I've seen the line dry before, and that's cool, but you've got this kind of wall of onions. This thing is pretty compact, and it fits a ton on here in a small area, and it still allows for that airflow to get around everything and dry it out really quickly. Like I said, it's only been on here for, you know, roughly a week, and the garlic will take a little bit longer, but the onions are pretty much done. So hey, if you like this project, if you like our channel, if you like what we've done here, give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. We'd love for you to stick around and hang out with us on our homestead and see what we do every week, because we've got new videos that come out every Tuesday, and we're always glad all of you are here. Thank you very much. We appreciate you watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.